So Project Ellie is a bit of a lull over the winter, but now the light night's coming and it's getting a bit warmer, we're back onto it. So as you can see, the bonnet is nearly finished. It might look a bit of a mess, but it is actually going very well. This bonnet's nearly finished. As you can see, you can do loads on the roof, and you can see all there. And he's even started on the doors. So we've ordered some new standing stuff he was ordering last night. So we don't actually know what we've got, and I'm going to show you what he's ordered. And we're going to go up with all the packages and see what we're going to do to cracking on with it.
Yeah, I'm just stripping the paint off, so we've got, I'm not sure what these discs are made out of, but they strip the paint off and barely even make a mark. So, because the doors need quite a bit of welding on, I'm just stripping everything off, as you can see. Brings it up really well, and they don't leave any marks, near enough paint straight over it. So yeah, just get all the rubbish off, and there must be over 10 layers of paint, so it's better just to get rid of everything.
So last night Billy had a little shopping spree and they all came today. We thought somebody was breaking in, but no, it's just a person. So we're going to have a little look what it is. So let's open the smallest first. We don't need, I should probably mention that these are all for the Morris Minor, so all interesting bits. So I mean, I don't know, there might be something a bit more interesting in.
What?
But what he's going to bought himself?
What's that?
He's going to buy himself a phone case. No wonder it came up to so much money. It's just a phone case and a phone screen. I mean, that's the only phone, that's his phone. Right, I'm sure there's something better in here. Thought he wouldn't get found out, wouldn't he? Just thought it's away with it. Well, lucky if we got it recorded. Ah, here we go. Here's something actually for her. Right, so we've got 2 big sanding discs by looks of things. We've got something actual of use. What else we got? Some more sanding discs. We've got a theme here. We're in different sizes. These are loads of little ones. So we've got big ones, smaller ones, and then even more smaller ones. And now for the last big box. Probably got a phone now. Should go with the phone case. Easy stuff to open, aren't they? They put like on this tape, they put something in it to make it stronger, don't they? They're in. Oh, we've got 2 things. We've got some purple sanding discs. We're going in fashion now. And we've got moving. We've got these, which, what are they? Are they sanding discs? Or are they like some form of rubbing thing? What are they?
Plus we're doing little corners and stuff like that. So it's got the discs.
We've got them, that, then, that.
The phone case we'll send back.
Yeah, and the phone screen as well, because it doesn't fit mine, so there's no point in us having it.
We'll say you've
Well, he's already got a phone
You've
case.
accidentally ordered this, so we sent it back.
Didn't want you to get confused, so just pop that back in there. There we go. And off it goes back. So I'll keep Amazon an account to see how much he spent. It turns out he's bought it himself because on it says Billy Walden and the others say Jane Walden, which is my mother, so it turns out he's bought it himself.
Sorry, Billy. Say sorry, Billy.
Sorry, Billy. Regretted too. So thank you for watching Project Ellie. Hopefully I'll keep you updated as much as I can through her project. Hopefully she'll get it done for summer. You can take her to a car show.